Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone is quarantined and staying safe at home right now. So it's been a while that I have been doing a video because I was very busy with my studies, and so here I am back with a new video. And thank you for subscribing my channel. So we reached 250 subscribers.
Guys, I don't think you heard me.
So thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be a makeup review, a makeup product review. So I have an aunt in Australia, so she asked me what do we need. So I asked her to bring some popular brands, makeup brands in Australia. So she brought me some products. So one is Nude by Nature collection. It's a really good collection. So I am not good with using a lot of chemicals in my face. I don't like to use chemicals. So this is an organic product that is really good for skin, and there will be 4 things in this bag. So one is the airbrush mineral primer and the natural mineral cover foundation and mascara, and there will be a flawless brush. So this is a pretty good bag if you are traveling somewhere, and it has all the instruction on this about how to use it. So today I'm using the makeup from Nude by Nature and some more products, and in this one you can see it's with rose gold zipper, and it's really good when you're traveling. So we'll see what's in it. So this one is the natural mineral cover foundation, so also in rose gold. Next one is the mineral primer. The next one is the brush. It's a really good brush. It was really good for when your makeup. It's really easy. You have the mascara. It's by the Nude by Nature, the same rose gold color product. Other than the Nude by Nature product, I get another one from Boo Professional. You can see it. So it's a highlighter and a color to your skin. And finally I got the waterproof kajal or the eyeliner. It's called the Scandalize or the Rimmel London. You can see it. And I got a lipstick. It's also from Rimmel London. It's a red color brand. It's like a matte when you apply it. And I'm really love with the smell of this one. The color palette. It's also called the Be Beauty. It's an eyeshadow palette. So if you are trying to buy some makeup products from Australia, these are the best products, I guess. And I have checked these products from internet, or I Google it, and it's one of the best products that they are having on Australia. Okay, so that's it. So hope you liked the video. And so I am not a big fan of using makeup, so this is my first makeup set that I have owned, and I am really excited to use it. So I hope you all are keeping fine and be safe, and do something worth at your quarantine. And yeah, if you're caring your hair at this time, it's the best time for caring for yourself and improve yourself at this time. So have a great time. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.